Have you seen the color palette trend on TikTok and wondered how to make one of these videos for yourself? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to do the color palette trend on TikTok. Now let's get started. The easiest way to do this is using the Draw tool on Instagram Stories. You can snap a new photo using the Story camera or upload one from your device. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select the Draw tool. Now tap the dropper in the bottom left corner. Drag the teardrop to the spot where you want to choose a color from, such as your skin, eyes, lips, or hair. While holding the dropper in the desired spot, take a screenshot if you want images of the colors being picked. Once you've selected a color, tap and hold the middle of your screen to fill the entire background with that color. If you want, you can add text here to label which tone this is. Then take a screenshot of the full screen color. Then delete the text, go back into the Draw tool, and undo filling in the color. Repeat these steps to get all of the color screenshots you want. Then go back to TikTok and begin creating a new video using all the screenshot photos you just took. You can upload the photos directly into your TikTok to make it into a slideshow, or use the green screen effect to add your images to your video. Add your desired sound and any text or filters you like, then go ahead and post your video. That's all it takes to do the color palette trend on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.